This is NECO July 2023 General Mathematics paper 2, question number 7b, and the question asks us to find the equation whose roots are minus 3 over 4 and 5 over 6. So let me just say x equals to minus 3 over 4 is a root. So taking minus 3 over 4 to the left hand side, you now have x plus 3 over 4 equals to 0. If you take the second root, also 5 over 6, you now said x equals to 5 over 6 is a root. So taking 5 over 6 to the left-hand side, you now have x minus 4 over 6 equals to 5 over 6 equals to 0. So multiplying these two zeros, you still give you another 0, because 0 times 0 is always 0. So writing x plus 3 over 4 in the bracket, multiplied by the second bracket, which contains x minus 5 over 6, because each of this expression is equals to 0. So multiplying the two expressions also, eventually I must get to 0 as the answer. So expanding these two brackets, meaning x times x, x times minus 5 over 6, 3 over 4 times this x, and 3 over 4 times minus over 6. If you did correctly, you have x squared minus 5x over 6 plus 3x over 4 minus 15 over 24 equals to 0. So collecting the like terms here, that is minus 5x over 6 plus 3x all over 4. Adding these fractions using LCM of 6 and 4. If you did correctly, you now have minus x all over 12. Then copied minus 15 over 24, copied your x squared. So clearing the fraction here, you now have 24x squared minus the 2x minus 53 equals to 0. The LCM of this 12 and this 24 is 24. So multiplying each and every term by 24 is what gives us this. That is, we have cleared the fraction. And this will now be the quadratic equation that will now have minus 3 over 4 and 5 over 6 as its roots. So let me just share with you how marks were awarded in this very question according to the official NECO marking scheme. So the very first mark is the method 1 mark, and this method 1 mark is when you now write products of the two factors here as equals to 0. You have this method 1 mark. And attempting to simplify this, that is to expand the bracket and collect it like times, you have another method 1 mark. And the final mark is the accuracy mark, when you have the equation exactly equals to 24x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. That gives you the accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this question has 3 good marks.